Welcome to Alikare, and I'm Thea, and today we're going to talk about basil. It's a basil herb that grows above the ground, and it's from the mint family. Now if you look on this one, it's showing some dark and some green because it's drying at the moment. You can have it green, especially when you're putting it in your cuisine, any of your favorite dish. It's good for that, especially when it's green. But having it dry is also good too, and it's best to prepare it before it's dry, like wash it and so forth, just to make sure that no insect is on it or anything like that. Now let's talk about what basil is good for. I also will be putting up pictures of it when it's fully green, so you can see when it's fully green how extra beautiful it looks. It smells great. Okay, it smells really good. Okay, basil is an herb that grow above the ground, as I said before, and it makes good medicine. Basil is used for stomach spasms, loss of appetite, intestinal gas, meaning that if people say they burpy, they're full of gas, air in the stomach, burping at all times. It's good for that. Kidney conditions, fluid retention, head and colds, meaning like head colds, like some people coughing all day long, just having this cold that just don't go away. It's also good for that. Warts and worm infections. It's also used to treat bites, like any insect bite. It's good for that. Like basil and rosemary is also good for any insect bite. Like mix the two of them together and put it on any insect bite. You can also add leaf of life and basil together and put it on any insect bite, and it will go away. So let's talk about if basil can be eaten raw. It also, you can put it in your meat, but it's good for making tea. So 2 to 3 spoons of holy basil in a cup of boiling water, and you're good to go. Leave for 5 minutes or even 5 to 7 minutes, and then you can have it. You don't have to mix it with any sugar. So basil tea is really good. It's good for the elders, especially the elders, and it doesn't affect any medication that you're taking. So I would recommend basil tea to drink even 2 or 3 times a week. Just add it to your list of tea. Do you love tea? I love tea. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm Thea, and this is the next episode of the herbs that we need to have in our day-to-day life. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and let me know if you want more videos on this, and let me also know if you have basil, whether in your meal or you have it as a tea, or you use it for any benefits, like anything that you're having any issue. Comment in the comment section and let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm Thea, and this is Alikare. Thank you.